Hello and welcome to 6161 Glennox Lane in the highly coveted neighborhood of University Meadows. Come on in. This home boasts 3 full bedrooms, 3 full baths, has been modernly redesigned down to the studs. Look at this beautiful wood floor and open flex floor plan. Beautiful LED lights. Beautiful state-of-the-art kitchen with Carrara marble countertops. Beautiful built-ins with soft close cabinets. Edison lights. Farmhouse seat. Beautiful state-of-the-art, like I said, Wi-Fi oven, thermidor, cooktop, and hood. Beautiful architectural designs with the curves. Like I said, this home has been redesigned and modernized down to the studs.
Oversized, light and bright master suite, fit for a king, perfect for a king-size bed, sitting area, gorgeous newly installed low-E bay windows, large master closet boasting craftsmanship with beautiful built-ins. Did someone say s'mores? Let's enjoy this backyard with a beautiful fire pit, mature trees, and cedar fence. No detail was left unturned with the modern redesign of this beautiful home.